new Rockler dust right extractor with separator all set up and ready to go. Now it's time to give it a test. I'm going to run the miter saw single cut on a 2x6 with nothing attached. Then I'm going to run it with my old 6 horsepower shop vac attached. Then we're going to run it with the new Rockler dust right extractor. Let's see what does better. I'm hoping it's this, but let's find out. All right, one cut. Nothing. Let's see what this does. I don't think the dust collection on this particular saw is all that great. The majority of my dust is coming from up here, with the dust collection being here. So it's just throwing it out before it even goes into the chute. But overall, I think the dust extractor did a pretty good job. At least that's what I'm going to tell myself to justify buying it anyway. We'll see in the long term. We're going to start over. All right, I've got the new Rockler dust right extractor set up with the Nikes. What is this thing called?